Welcome to Straight Jacket RC. Man, wind's blowing pretty good. Not letting up. I think I'm just gonna rip it, jump right into it. We'll see. I don't know. Bad. I think we might be able to work with it. Biggest issue is going to be keeping the A-arm on. Sucker keeps falling off, backing out. That was ugly. Thick weeds over there. Time to quit messing around, baby. Wind. Ooh, man. Dusty. Man, that wind. You couldn't fight that wind. Poor wing. Just took it. Didn't like it though. Alright. Let's try this. No flip. Try straight air. Work a little better. Yeah. Tried to do something there and it failed. Kind of sucked. Man, I just looked at that. Yeah, this damn pillow ball keeps backing out. The arm is probably stripped. I keep putting it in, it seems like it holds. And I don't know, I got quite a bit out of it this time, more than I was expecting. Kept looking at it to see if it's backing out, it never did. I just looked at it and it just pulled straight out apparently. Yeah. Got most of the pack, call it good. Damn wind is pretty gnarly. I think I'm gonna call it a wrap. Got some decent floaters, a couple flips, whatever. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, thanks for likes, thanks for subs, comments, all that jazz. As always, straight jacket out.